In this video, we're going to talk about how you can change your delivery region on the Grubhub app. So you can make this change in the Grubhub for Drivers app. We will just need to log in and view the task list of our current application. Now, I'll explain how we can change this if our application has already been approved as well. So in this case, if it hasn't been approved yet, we will need to tap on Location and Transportation step in the task workflow and then select Take Me Off the Wait List at the bottom of the screen, and then we can update to a new market. So it's going to look like this. Next up, Location and Transportation, and we can select Take Me Off the Wait List. After that, we can simply input the new zip code or address, and we can change our delivery region that way. Now, what if your application has already been accepted, and what if you want to change your delivery region on Grubhub after you have already delivered? So what you have to do is get in touch with Grubhub support. So on the Grubhub application, we're just going to contact support from the help center, and you will explain that you have moved to a different region and that you would like to request a change. They can further assist you with any information there, and as well as actually moving you to a different location for your Grubhub delivery orders. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.